How to add chat with us on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can implement this to our Shopify store so people can chat with us. So first, I need you to open up the apps section from the bottom left, where you can just access all apps to your Shopify. And basically just go to all recommended apps and then Shopify App Store. Or actually, if you see it, it's this one right here, which is Shopify Inbox. But if you don't see it, you can just go to Shopify App Store from here and then obviously look up Shopify Inbox. It should be from the popular apps like so, but you can feel free to search for it and it's going to appear for you. Anyways, just go ahead and click on Shopify Inbox once you actually find it and basically install it. And once we install this, we can actually implement the chat with us feature on our Shopify store, and is actually for free. So, we don't really have to pay anything. As you can see here, pricing free. So we can just go ahead and confirm our installation first. Shouldn't really take too long here. And then we can just go ahead and set up chat. So we can just exit out of this screen first. And now once you actually install the app, if you don't see the screen for some reason, you can always just access it again from apps. And then you can just go to the Shopify Inbox. And if you don't find that again, you can feel free just to go to the Shopify App Store and open it up from there. Now, I believe there's also an easier way to do so. But here goes nothing. So we can just go to Shopify Inbox and click on Open. I'm pretty sure, I'm confident that there's an easier way to open it up. But anyways, regardless, once you actually open it up, we can just start setting up the chat. So you will need to just click on set up chat. And then we just basically need to follow the steps. Now, there are going to be different variants and varieties when it comes to this chat option. So we will need to basically set things up accordingly. So first, once you do it right away, you can actually see that the chat option is, as you can see on the right side, we can actually view it. And now in this page, you will need to make sure that online store chat is enabled. And then here we can just feel free to customize it to our liking. So here we can just change the text color, for example. And once we click on save, the preview is going to also change. But here, okay, let's just try that again. There you go. And then we also can change the icon within the actual bubble. So you can have the chat bubble, email, question mark, whatever it may be. And again, it's just going to load here for us. So again, label is going to be chat, but if you want it to be something else, you can feel free to add any of those. And here you can also set up the position when it comes to horizontal position, whether it's going to be left or right. And then we'll also have the vertical position. So higher, highest, lowest, which is going to change the position of it on the corner. So highest is, I believe, is going to be even higher than that, as you can see. But I prefer that to keep it at the lowest. And then we also have the greeting message. So anyways, this is, saved. So we can actually go ahead and save and exit out of here. And if we just go to our... here we can actually view the messages, obviously, but if we just go to our Shopify, there you go. This is how to actually access it. So from inbox down here. But if we just go to our online store now to view it, it's actually going to pop up here for us. And if we click on that, people will be able to write any messages. So, hey. And then it's going to ask them to add their first name, last name, and then just opt in to get email if that's... let's just go ahead and add any random stuff here. So example, and then we also want example@example.com. And here I'm not going to turn this on and click on start chat. And it should be sent. And now if we just go back to our Shopify Inbox store here, we can actually view all the messages from this section. So we can actually see messages, one unread. Click on view messages, and this is going to basically open up the inbox here for us, where we can just go ahead and view all the messages. Let's just allow this real quick, and we can actually view that and basically be able to reply and everything. So this is pretty much all you need to do to install the chat with us on Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.